What's going on, everybody? So I got inspired to do this video because I recently saw my older video. I ate sweet potatoes for 1 week. It gained some momentum and got a lot of views. I wasn't expecting that, but it just happened. I figured it was a good video to do. And I had some great feedback in the comments. One viewer left me a comment saying that I should try out Japanese sweet potatoes. So the problem was, they recommended that I go to Whole Foods. I don't have that in my area, but I do have a co-op, and lo and behold, I found Japanese sweet potatoes. So I'm kind of happy to do this for you guys. I'm not going to be eating these for a week, but I wanted to show you in this video how to bake Japanese potatoes. So what we'll do is I'll take you guys into the kitchen and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, you guys, I got everything prepped up just for the sake of time. So this is how I do my baked potatoes. I wrap them in tin foil, and I usually have some sort of oil or butter in there. Today, I have ghee in there. I like to use this brand. It's actually a new blend that they're doing, but anyway, I do that, and then I usually put like a little slice or cut down the middle when they're fresh. That way I can kind of open it up and put in some like herbs and some like salt and pepper in there later on after they're prepped up. But I'm going to do one more thing. We will go ahead and add just a pinch of the Celtic sea salt. I've been trying this out. I like to salt my food with it, and I also like to just do the trend that's been going on lately. Just take a pinch of salt, take a swig of water, and yeah, you know, get healthy electrolytes in for the day, you know, mineral, elemental salts. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit on there. Alright, so I just do this, get the other one here. Alright, and lastly I got the timer set at 400 degrees. That's usually how I bake it. It's usually between 400 and 350, just depends. And we will go ahead and cook these for about 20 to 40 minutes. Alright, so we'll go ahead and toss them in here. Centered like that, and now we shall bake and wait. Hey guys, I had to add an additional 20 minutes onto these. I was going to do 40, but I decided to start at 20. It wasn't good enough, so then I did another 20 minutes. And we tried the poke test here. See, these are nice and well done. They can go through like that. So if you bake them at 400 degrees, I'd recommend putting Japanese potatoes in for at least 40 minutes. And since these are nice and hot, I like to add a little bit more flavor to them, so I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper here. So I just sprinkle it inside the tin foil there. And then I just let them cool and serve. Alright, you guys, that'll be it for the video. And this is how I bake Japanese potatoes. If you guys are just finding me on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.